I'd like to thank everybody for their support, comments, and sharing their stories of the problems that they're having with DVLA at the moment. Something seems to be happening is anyone who's changed the fuel type of their vehicle, especially to electric or any other source of lower tax fuels, are being systematically weeded out, I suppose is the way of putting it, and they're not accepting the fact that you're allowed to do that. When the DVLA actually took my case, they took a position on the fact that I'd made it a green low emission vehicle, and they changed the fuel type to electric. The problem isn't really paying duty, it's having the fuel type as correct. The fuel type should be correct on your V5 form. That's a simple thing. Whether the tax gets paid or not, that's a political decision. I'm not interested. I'm just interested in driving a vehicle that is cheaper to run, more reliable for the most part. All the bits are electrical, have been so far, touch wood, 100% reliable. Which I can't say of some of the diesels I've driven. They're old and there's been problems. So yeah, I just want to say thank you very much for everyone who's contacted in the last video. I'm going to probably title this video slightly differently, so if you want to see my other videos, have a click on the channel and please go back and have a look. It's only 3 minutes long. It's not too, hopefully not too painful to watch. It's just basically explaining the situation of receiving a letter from the DVLA all of a sudden, and the next day after receiving a letter from the DVLA, I received a V5 form, registration form, document which you need in this country, which basically is sort of proof of ownership, and it says on there what the fuel type is and what the vehicle is, and it also says that it's got to meet an emission standard under a certain amount, which at the MOT station will probably cause a problem. I don't know. That's one of the reasons for changing it to electric. It made MOTing the vehicle easier. So I don't know why the DVLA are doing this. Somebody may well have a political problem, or might just be having a problem with the fact that people aren't paying duty for driving around. Well, it's an electric vehicle, so that's not my position or problem. That is a political one. Hopefully the politicians can sort this out. I've emailed lots of people, and I'm not holding my breath, but it would be lovely if we could get some help on this. So, thanks very much for watching.